My name is Esther Sanami.
My name is Pius Kado.
And you're welcome to another episode of Showbiz Plus on the News Chronicle TV.
Yeah. So today, as usual, we're going to take you through another entertainment journey. And then first we're going to start with a very protracted war between Wizkid and Davido.
Is it a war?
It looks like a war, a generational war. It has started for long. It looks like it's not going to end,
Yeah.
A few days ago, Wizkid took to his Twitter handle to say plenty things about Davido, and then it really didn't go down well with Davido's fans. And of course, some Wizkid fans too were not really cool with his reaction.
Yeah.
The two has been going back and forth. Should we call this a battle of supremacy or something? But personally, I really didn't like how Wizkid, approached the whole thing. The things he said. Yes.
He made reference to his uncle, which I felt was like very unnecessary.
Was just going above board. And then for some people, they will tell you that they are just doing it to chase clout. They just want to create content. But these are people that are on the peak of their career, especially Wizkid.
Yeah, I don't feel like they need.
So what's the need for all of this? At the end of the day, I think what he even did, or some of the things he said about Davido, instead of creating the content supposedly, is in a way working against him.
Yeah.
You understand? Because a lot of his fans that probably have sympathy for him or loyalty for him. I could even read some people saying the kid in his name is not making sense. So I think it's really not matured reacting to a fellow, a musician like you, a fellow top star like you in such a manner.
I think it is very mature of
Davido
not to have said anything like.
True.
I think it should be the doings of his wife.
The handwork of Choma.
Yeah.
Because we've known Davido to be someone who always reacts to things like this. But for a couple of days now, he has not really come out to say anything. Instead, he, maybe in a way to troll Wizkid further, he went to launch the Puma, fashion stuff that initially actually wanted Wizkid to get it. You understand? And then Davido got it at the end of the day. So I don't know if it's a win-win for Davido, but then the sympathy and everything seems to be going to him.
Yeah. So please make sure to check our news website, news-chronicle.com, for content like this, for stories like this, and also be sure to check our social media handles, which we displayed on the screen. Moving on, Halle and her rapper boyfriend Didi announced their separation. This comes 11 months after they welcomed their first child together. Halle, I mean, it's quite a sad news.
The two look good together.
Yeah.
So I don't know why they are going their separate ways.
They didn't say so, even though they said that they are still best friends, even though I don't really know what that
Forget
is.
this Western
best friends, and the love they have for each other is deep. And I'm like,
love has a lot to do with patience, endurance, compassion. But then every little thing, everybody wants to go.
And I feel like Daniel and Steve are already been copying
their lifestyle.
Like once.
If you look at some of the celebrities that have actually their union have actually lasted. The likes of this lady that gave us Code of Many Colors, this Dolly Parton.
Oh,
They've been together with her husband for like 50 years plus.
Yeah.
But these are people of way back, but the generation of today, I think small disagreement.
I don't think it was even generation. I don't even think about Americans or for Western words. It's really been about generation. Even back, right back. Look at Jennifer who announced her separation from from Ben Affleck. So it's like this year, a lot of celebrities have themselves. And you think that a child is a cementing factor for a relationship, or it's not.
If you are a union, definitely you must
Yeah.
have something to contend with. You must have disagreements.
Yeah.
You must have frictions and all. But it depends on how you truly want to be there for that person. So
But
no,
I mean, if you look at on the brighter side, there's
Yeah.
no bad blood between them, like Cardi B and Offset. So
it's
It's-
not said. It's showing fact.
So we wish the pair good luck. Okay, they're no longer a pair.
They will come
Which
back.
each of them
They will
are.
come
I
back.
don't think so.
They'll
Pius,
come
what's
back.
with you and coming back and
I
coming
just
back
feel bad.
stories?
Here's the thing. I
Do
just
you
feel
have an
that you should
ex-girlfriend you're hoping
always
to
fight.
get back to?
The thing is, you should always fight for somebody you actually love.
Wow.
For you to have started it,
Yeah.
it means you really want the person.
Yeah.
Like for
understand your
you
pain.
understand what's going on. Alright.
Our
Okay.
third story.
Our third story is a very funny one about is it a troll now that we call it, or a Twitter user who advised Phyno and Olamide to retire from music. I don't really know the inspiration behind this. Is it because they are fame?
I just feel like
It's coming
Nigerians.
down.
No, I just feel like Nigerians generally they are facing a lot, and so they look for a medium to project the frustration and anger. Like how you just wake up one morning and go to your ex handle and you feel you have the right to just offer your unsolicited advice, to men who have fared well for themselves,
But come to think of it, there is time for everything, right?
Yeah.
You would have a particular time when people will know you, your fame and everything.
But
will
what
be there.
the likes of Beyonce, Rihanna,
Some people are
some
taking
of
over
this,
gradually.
even what's his name again? This producer, well known, Don Jazzy,
Don Jazzy.
who they've been like 20 years in music and they are still very relevant. Yeah.
They're just trying to do their job well. But whether we like it or not, as a celebrity, there are seasons for you. Some
Yeah.
seasons will favor you, other
True.
seasons will not favor you.
Yeah.
Talking about Phyno was like the in thing back then when it comes to, I'm sorry to say back then, but then if you compare Phyno, the popularity of Phyno now and that of this Odumodu Black, you cannot put them, together, because Odumodu now is, having his own time singing with top artists and all. So you would have your own season, and then when it dwindles, when it go down, you just accept it. So
I don't think they should retire from music. They're doing very well. In fact, Olamide's song, I've forgotten which, I can't remember the
Yeah, one
artist
of his
right
latest
now,
songs,
was
actually.
nominated for an award. So he's clearly doing, just because you're a fan doesn't mean that they aren't doing good. So
yeah.
moving on to our final segment for the show, which is actually my favorite segment. We'll be recommending 3 top movies for you to watch this weekend. And the first movie is
Had home.
This killer has a type, always female, always brunette, similar heights and facial features. Do not go into the forest alone. I worked the Diablo case for years in California, so I wanted to stay close to it.
The origin of the name? A single word carved into a tree near what police believe was the original crime scene.
Home secured.
Floor plans, the smart home tech, all developed by this beautiful young genius right here.
They didn't even know it.
They found her belongings nearby, and a partial match for dental records.
Do you know what it's like to be frozen while someone tortures you? 12 years of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Think I'll be fine, thanks. You didn't let them off that easy.
So neither will I.
Why would anyone do this?
Make them pay.
And the second movie is Lisabi.
Mọ́ṣẹ́ ìkólé lórí oko gidi kólẹ̀ nítorí àwọn ọ̀làrí wọ́n padà bọ̀. Ọgbà yẹn gbà ó! Ẹ̀kọ́ ṣàkọọ́lẹ̀ bàbá mi bọ́ọ̀dẹ̀ o! Ṣáwọn tẹ́ ẹ̀rí kọ́ba náà rèé. Ẹgbẹ́ olórí burúkú làwọn ará Ẹ̀gbá o. Ẹgbẹ́ olórí ibú ni ọmọ òṣìṣẹ́ ajé kan rí nǹkan gidi fọ́lọ́yọ̀ o. Ọ wọlé lọ báyìí. Kí lọ yẹ owó?
Mo rò pọ̀pọ̀ lóyún tí ń wẹ̀yìn. Kò lè ṣeé ṣe.
Olúwàbí o! Kábíyèsí o!
Èèyàn kan sọ̀rọ̀ sáláàfin lójú rẹ̀. O sì mọ irú ìyà tó yẹ kó o fi jẹ́. Àmọ́ pàdé mọ́débìnrin kan.
Ìfẹ́ fà mí lọ́kàn ya bí aṣọ. Ohun tó máa fi jẹ́wọ́ pé o kì í ṣọlẹ̀, ìsàlẹ̀ ló wà. Lisabi, ẹ oko omi sọ wà ń kó wa lọ báyìí. Ọ̀yẹ́ ìtì kan mi o. Lisabi, ìwọ ló kàn. Ẹgbà méjì ìjara wọn níyàwó bí kò bá pẹ́ báyìí sí. Ẹgbà méjì ìjara wọn níyàwó. Bí mo ṣe ń wò tó ṣe ń jó yẹn pé kí n bá kan jẹ́ ni. Wọ́n ti kẹ́jì mi àyè lọ. Àwọn ìlàrí Ọ̀yọ́ sọ́ra wọn di kòkò gbà. Bó ṣe ń jẹ ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ́gun rẹ̀ mọ́. Ẹ gbàgbé rárá ìjọ ológun rẹ̀ jọ. Ayédáké ayé lọ sọ́ọ̀rì kéṣe. Lókèlókè wọ́n ti ṣe yẹ́yẹ́. Olùmọ̀lẹ́ wọ́n ti ṣe yẹ́ òkùnkùn. Ẹyẹ òkùnkùn wọ́n fi ní àwọn àṣepàdé o. Ìfúnlẹ̀ ọ̀dọ́rùn ní àwọn. Ìlérí Ọ̀yọ́! Ọmọ Yorùbá wọn kì í ṣerú. Ẹ dìde o!
And then our final movie for today is Raya and the Last Dragon.
6 years of searching. Please let this be it. Whoa! Focus. Eyes forward, tuk-tuk. Good boy. Okay, so here's the sitch. This is Kumandra.
Each land is named after a part of the dragon. Fang, heart. Spine, tail, and talon. We were once unified, harmoniously as one. Until evil forces were awakened, shattering the peace and dividing the 5 lands. Raya, this isn't the world I want you to live in.
To restore peace, I must find the last dragon. Oh, mighty Sisu!
Hello?
Oh! We need you to defeat the evil with the last of dragon magic.
I'm gonna be real with you, all right? I'm not like the best dragon.
Okay, we need to keep going. Sisu, the world's broken. We're warriors, assassins, and pickpockets. Hey! You can't trust anyone.
Maybe it's broken because you don't trust anyone.
We really need your help.
My girl Raya and I are gonna fix the world.
Yes. I too wish to join this fellowship of butt kickery.
Hold on!
Oh, we were doing a jumpy thing. Sorry. It may feel impossible, but sometimes you just have to take the first step. I just shape change.
Dragons can do that?
Look how close my butt is to my head. It's gonna make digestion so much faster.
So that is the size of the show. Make sure to join us for another episode. My name is Pius Kala.
And I remain Esther Salami. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.